Alright, Joel. I've completely reworked the throttle. Changed out a couple of jets. Got it cleaned up inside and out. There was a lot of red clay dust in there. Gotta watch out for them dusty areas. Alright, took it out for a test drive. It did well. We're gonna go ahead and do that restart and stumble. Here we go. Okay, took wide open, idling happily. Fuel pressure showing about 2 psi. Gauge might be a little bit off, 2.5. Alright. Follow the vacuum line. Idle vacuum. Pushing 21 there. Idle RPM. 630, 650, right in there. And, whoop. And my dwell showing at 42. Alright. Come back down to her. This is what you want to see. Alright, sir. I'll get this back to you. Labor Day is Monday, so probably be Tuesday before I ship it out. Thanks. Bye.